This is Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV Center down at Jayco's 2026 Homecoming. I'm standing outside here, the all-new 245 BHS Jay Flight. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. You come in here, you got your queen bed. Got your kitchens, a nice layout here, and you got the double bunks. So this is 2 double bunks. Got some storage down low. 36 by 30 shower. So you got a nice big shower in this unit. Yeah, what a nice bathroom for a trailer this size. You got storage on the left there. And on your slide out here, you got this big U-shaped dinette that also converts down into a bed. Plenty of storage in here to take everything you want to take, and they even got big drawers down below. Yep, this unit comes in at weighing right at 5,500 pounds. And even has an outside kitchen here. So we're down here looking at all the new great stuff Jayco has to offer. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.